They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but for a 3D printing nerd, it's the most inspiring one. I was staring at my fried egg this morning and thought, can AI turn this delicious mess into a perfect fridge magnet? No modeling, no sculpting, just pure AI magic. Let's see if we can go from sunny side up to a 3D print before my coffee gets cold. Let's get started. I found a simple photo of a fried egg online. Usually, modeling these organic, wavy edges would be a one-way ticket to a headache. But watch this magic trick. I upload the photo to Meshy AI, click Generate, and in less than a minute, boom, we have full 3D geometry. It's honestly scary how fast this is. Meshy AI offers one of the most extensive ranges of DCC integrations among AI 3D tools, making it a great solution for 3D printing users who want to bridge the gap between AI and production. I want that classic multicolor look, but I absolutely hate manual painting. To avoid the mess, I'm using a total pro move. First, I just hit the texture button. Meshy AI instantly analyzes my original photo and paints the model for me in seconds. But we're not just making a digital model, we're 3D printing this. So I use the multicolor feature and reduce the color count to exactly 2. Now Meshy AI knows exactly where the white ends and the yellow begins. Our fried egg is officially seasoned and ready to print. Let's send it directly to Bambu Studio. In the slicer, I'm adding a little secret room for our magnet. I added a negative cylinder slightly larger than my magnet and set a print pause. This way, we can trap the magnet inside the print. No glue, no mess, just a clean finish. Let's send it to the 3D printer and start baking. The fried egg is officially served. Housten, we have a problem. Our egg just did a base jump. It turns out one magnet wasn't enough to fight gravity against this heavyweight breakfast. My engineering ego is bruised, but the fix is easy. I went back, doubled the slots, and now with 2 magnets, this egg is stuck tighter than a burnt pan. But a single egg looks a bit lonely, right? So I use the exact same AI logic to create a cast iron pan. Now it's not just a magnet, it's a whole vibe. From a random internet photo to a professional looking set in record time. Creating a custom project like this used to require pro-level modeling skills. Now, just an idea and the right AI tool. If you're ready to start your own journey, Meshy AI is offering new users 50% off their first month. What should I ask AI to build next? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like if you think this project was excellent. See you in the next video.